Identifying independent and dependent variables in business scenarios. I'd like to think of our independent variable as the quantity that we can control. The dependent variable will depend on our independent variable. So let's begin with this example about coffee shop sales. A coffee shop owner wants to track how the number of hours the shop is open each day affects the total daily sales. I can control the number of hours the shop is open each day. What I cannot control is the total daily sales. The total daily sales comes based off of the number of hours the shop is open each day. So this will make our independent variable the number of hours the shop is open each day, and the dependent variable will be the total daily sales. Since the total daily sales will depend on how many hours the shop is open each day. In our next example, employee wages, a business tracks how many hours employees work in a week and how much they earn. In this case, the quantity that can be controlled is the number of hours the employees work in a week. How much they earn will depend on how many hours they work. So your independent variable is hours worked, number of hours worked, while your dependent variable will be the wages earned. Online advertising. A business tracks how much it spends on online advertising each week and how many website visitors it gets. If I am the owner of the business, I can control how much I spend on online advertising each week. And then what I can't control is how many website visitors it gets, but the website visitors will depend on how much is spent on online advertising each week. This will make my independent variable how much money is spent on advertising weekly, while the dependent variable will be the number of website visitors. Our final example is about store promotions. During a sale, a store tracks how the discount percentage on a product affects the number of units sold. What I can control as the store owner is the discount percentage on the product. What that will affect is the number of units sold. So my independent variable will be the discount percentage, and my dependent variable will be the number of units sold.